Hi again, my beautiful people. I am ready. We're heading now to a hunt to look for our beautiful waterfall, and the name of this waterfall is the Will Be Free Falls. So we are on the hunt looking for it now, so come along with us.
The Will Be Free Waterfall is located in the mountains at South Rivers. South Rivers is a community located on the windward side of the island. It is 20.5 miles or approximately 1 hour drive from our capital, Kingston.
Here we go now. We have finally found the pathway to this waterfall, and we're gonna head through that path over there to take us straight to the waterfall. So I'm gonna try to skip a few stones. Okay, oh my God, I'm out of breath because you see those cows behind me? One actually just tried to run me down, so I was running like hell. But we have already found a path towards this waterfall, so this is where we're heading. Well, my beautiful people, it's so sad to say that we went the wrong way. So we're heading back to where we started from in search for this falls again. So hopefully this time we're gonna find it. My umbrella. Okay, beautiful people. Well, as you can see, I found an umbrella because we decided to hike this road instead of driving this road, because the hiking is lots of exercise and it's fun. As you can see, my friends and I are having lots of exercise on the hunt looking for this waterfall. Whenever you're in St. Vincent and you decide to go waterfall hunting, I recommend that you wear comfortable clothing such as tights, short pants, or even long sleeves. For me, I prefer wearing my tights as it protects my legs from scratches from the grass and also bites from bugs. I will also recommend that you walk with your bug spray to prevent yourself from getting bitten. On our way to the waterfall, we had to crisscross the river at least 4 times. So if you decide to take this hike, I recommend that you be in good physical condition, because this waterfall is not easily accessible and the hike is very challenging. Oh my God, I can't say nothing right now. Oh my God, all I can say is mother walk! And mother walk means oh my God! It is ridiculous. I'm done. Well, beautiful people, after all this oh my God and mother walk, well, we're finally here. The walk is amazing as usual.
As you can see, I still have energy. So I'm heading down there to cool myself down in the falls. Come along with me, please. Come, let's go. Woo. Yeah, baby! Woo. Woo. We're here.
Wow.
Come on, this is fine.
No.
Oh! Whoa! Okay, beautiful people. We're finally here at Wilby Free Falls, and it is amazing. As usual, our hikes are breathtaking, tiring, but wonderful. Great workout. So this time we're gonna go up and have a nice bath under that fall because I am tired and I just want to relax a little bit. Along the way, but we're finally here. As you can see in the background, the falls is amazing, the most spectacular thing I have seen throughout my whole life, and I am so excited. If you could just jump to that camera and come have a swim with me, I'm gonna change into my swimwear and I'll meet you in the falls.
Be very careful when swimming in this waterfall because of the strong current, so make sure that you are a good swimmer.
Oh my Lord,
end of another episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope next time you will be with us just as today. The fall was amazing.